You guys gotta see this one. You guys gotta see this. So I've been working on my language for quite a bit, and it's at a state where it's actually working. So let me show you my async model. An async function is a function, and that's it. It doesn't really do anything else. It's not like JavaScript with called functions. You can do anything, right? So let's say we do some work here. Sleep for, let's say, 100 milliseconds by the end, and that's done. That's done. So we can just spawn fn no, spawn worker with let's say one, and then we can use that variable. So that variable is going to be the worker, and then we can join on that thing, and that's going to be the result that we're going to get. So obviously we don't return anything from here, so we can use the return keyword of let's say n by 10, or we can just return the last value implicitly. I prefer to return implicitly, but I'm gonna have this for clarity. Print journey, let's go. We wait for 100 milliseconds and then it does all of the things. So let's sleep for 1 second. That sleeps for 1 second. Let's go. But there's actually a different model of doing that. So let's see equals Chan. We can all set a cap there, but I'm just not gonna do that. I'm just not gonna do that. And let's say for I in 0 through 10, we actually spawn the thing. So spawn worker with I. And what are we gonna do with that? Hell, we're not gonna do anything with it because we don't really care, right? We have a channel, so we send that to the channel. So we send n to the channel, and then we can do print ln of the thing, send %v, and then it's gonna be n. So %v is kind of like go, right? The format strings is just like go, and it works. It works how you expect it to. There's methods on every single thing, any table, any number, any meta table, because you can define custom meta tables. So they're gonna be like methods, and you can override underscore debug, like Rust debug, and you can override the default underscore to string for the normal one, right? Like Rust display, and then we can actually receive in that. So for true do, let me actually not do this for do blocks, right? Because do is just a thing that um, takes in multiple expressions, then returns the value of the last one. So we're not going to care about that. And then v, when v is over 5, let's say, and then we can print ln of got a fat percent v, and then v. And in any other case, we just do got a normal percent v. All right. So that's it. I think no. Yeah, I absolutely broke the parser because I've been doing some refactors. Oh, it's not that. It's not that. I'm stupid. I'm a little too go-brained. Let's go. We have it working. We have it and that's how ergonomic it is. Dude, I'm in love with my own thing. I'm in love with this so hard. Look at how like readable the code is, right? You can also do it like this, or camel wise. Right. So in the camel it would be equals match. No, equals function. Okay, no, it wouldn't be. It wouldn't be. But this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. And we actually have things that are in the parser and the Lex, but not in the actual language. So as you can see, the type annotation didn't break anything because I want to break something. I want to break something. So my plans are going to be like const, let's say email, no, const user equals struct of this. And then we're actually going to use table notation because it makes sense. It makes sense. Name is going to be like a string, and then it's going to default to someone. This is going to be so beautiful. This is going to be so beautiful. And then you can do like, yo, user, and then it automatically gives you the name, but then you can be like, yo, name is the first thing, so why do I care? This is going to be the name, or you can automatically do it like this, and it works. You know why? Because this is the table syntax. This is just how the tables look. This is so beautiful. This is going to be so beautiful. And then we already have meta tables, right? And the meta tables are going to be like con new equals fn of a name is going to be a string, and then we do and then we're going to be like, yo, self the string equals no, self dot name equals name. I have such high hopes for this. I have such high hopes for this, and then we're going to be able to use the new, not even use the new of as this is my next plan. This is my next plan. But first of all, I'm gonna actually implement a good standard library first. I feel like that's gonna be the mode of operation. I'm probably gonna optimize something, right? Because what we already have is we have a bytecode thing, and it prints the bytecode, right? That what I just wrote here is 70 instructions. This is register based, and it works kind of like Lua. So if you know Lua, it's gonna be kind of like that. This kind of broken, but yeah, that's how I'm gonna have it. That's how I'm gonna have it. Let me actually do on this dash dash JSON, and then you can analyze with like JQ. This is gonna be so good. Except I broke something and it doesn't have two brackets. That's weird. That's weird. But dude, this is gonna be so good. I swear, this is already so good. That's like the thing. Thanks for watching, man. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna polish it up and then I'm gonna release it. And when I release it, you guys gotta promise me that you're gonna use it to like improve it somehow. Thank you for watching.